The portable air compressor is proudly made in the USA with Global Materials in Jackson, Tennessee. Portable, 6-gallon capacity maximizes portability and stored air for CRAFTSMAN air compressor. No maintenance, durable. Oil-free pump of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for long life and no maintenance. Pressure, 150 max psi to ensure adequate cut-inch pressure for a variety of applications. Quick recovery time, 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi allows for quick compressor recovery time. The excellent CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon air compressor is part of the company's hard-to-miss refreshed and expanded lineup. We use it to inflate tires on ministry vans, tires on neighbors' bicycles, and as the power source for framing nailers. Here's how this reliable compressor works. Adjusting output seemed familiar, using the front twist knob. Twin 1/4-inch NPT ports let you connect 2 hoses and tools to the compressor at once time. This could be very handy. For example, we appreciate dual air outlets when using both a framer and a positive placement nailer. The new CRAFTSMAN CMEX61506-gallon air compressor offers a lot for the price: great performance, air power, portability with its handle design, rubber feet, and tough construction. It cycles quickly enough for ~90 psi nailing applications. You may not have success running 2 active roofing nailers on this compressor or a sander, but that's not its intent. Instead, you get a decent amount of air and reasonably quick recovery time at an above-average value.